Yeah, AI, of course, is the latest, and everybody's talking about it. Out at RSA a couple weeks ago, the vice president of Microsoft had predicted this AI boom, but it came a little earlier than what she had thought. She was like, did a presentation a year ago and said it was 2 to 3 years out. Well, by God, it was only a year out. Well, then everybody's jumping on it, but not everybody's thinking about the implications of it. It's just like, oh yeah, this is cool. But there's legal challenges, copyrights. If you have it write a program, who owns the program? You or the original author, or however it goes. But that wasn't the biggest point that they brought up. It levels the playing field. The protectors are going to have equal access to this AI and understand the mechanisms that the hackers are going to use. They're now on a level playing field where they're always a step ahead. Now maybe they're only a quarter of a step ahead, and you might be able to beat them. You don't see an exorbitance of hacking groups using AI, and you don't see the tools yet utilizing AI on the front end. But some of it is going on in the back end. It's, as we're speaking, by the time people listen to this, it'll be at a different stage. The number one threat right now with AI is data privacy. The data that if you verbalize something or you give access to a database and it goes through the AI engine, now all of a sudden that's a potential breach. So I'd say data breach is probably the most prevalent right now with that kind of tool.